I have another insight of the readings. What is love God? So when the word God emerges, suddenly we become skeptical again. What is God? No God. What is God? Show me. What is God? Show me the power. There's no God. So what is God? What is God? I think we alternate this word. To love God is to love kids, is to love children, is to love dog. How to love the kids, to love your dog, to give your kids what they want. Then you love God. We do not treat our kid as only for the labor or only to send them to prostitutes, because children are the most easy cheated. We're not cannibals. If you are cannibals, you're the vampire. You're a vampire, you're the demon. So what is love God? What is love? Is your love your kids, love your dog. Just that simple. This is my conclusion from the insight I just found from my reading. What is love? Who is God? What is the motherfucker God? God is every creation. Every creation. If you sacrifice your kids, you make them to the laborer, make them to the prostitutes, you don't love. You don't have love. You don't know how to treat your descendants. Then they're good. Then you're the vampire. You're the sadist. You don't know how to treat your descendants. What is God? Every creation. Every. Love your kids, love your children, love your dog. This is love God.